Alam niyo paano pinagloloko tayo nitong defense panel ng pangalawang pangulo, ano?
That was the remark of House Committee on Public Accounts Chairperson and Justice Committee member Terry Ridon on the response of spokesperson and legal counsel of Vice President Sara Duterte, Attorney Michael Powa. Powa said that the Vice President's cash on hand and bank deposits were included under others in her Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth or SALN. Ridon, however, pointed out that prior to 2019, cash on hand and bank deposits were reported as separate line items.
When in fact, prior to 2019, nagre-report naman ho sila ng cash in bank at cash on hand. No? So, ano ho yung nagbago nung 2019 onwards? No? Lalo't higit, hindi naman nagbago yung SALN law. Hindi ba? Pareho lang naman ho yun which requires a line item for cash deposits and cash on hand. So, tigil na ho nila yung palusot.
He added that the Vice President should explain the 6.7 billion pesos in total inflows and outflows reflected in the Anti-Money Laundering Council report involving VP Duterte and her husband, Attorney Manasseh Scarpio.
Sabi ho ni Attorney Powa, bahagi po ng defense panel, ang sabi ho niya, they are not saying that the numbers are false. Ano ho ibig sabihin nun? That the numbers are only inaccurate. Hindi daw po accurate yung pong mga numero. So ano ang ibig sabihin nun? They are not disputing the billions upon billions that have been reported in the AMLAC report.
Meanwhile, the lawmaker also said the sealed box submitted by the Bureau of Internal Revenue containing the income tax return of Duterte-Carpio couple should be opened in an executive session.
Dahil hindi naman po in aid of legislation ang Senate impeachment trial, di hindi rin po pwede buksan. Ganun po ba yung gustong sabihin po ng BIR? So, I'm quite certain we will unseal the box next week.
Ridon said that the income tax return should still be considered public documents, given that the Vice President is a public official currently facing impeachment proceedings. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.